Hello and welcome back everyone. I'm Panish Sharma and today we are going to be talking about Arduino. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source hardware and software company which develops microcontrollers, and people can buy it and then they can program it and make innumerable things. So from the last school science exhibition project, I was thinking what should I make, and then I came about an idea to make a rover, space rover from Arduino, just like Curiosity rover sent on Mars. So about the hardware and from internet from Amazon, and I named my project ARS, which is an abbreviation of Arduino Sat, and Arduino Sat is an abbreviation of Arduino Rover Satellite. So Arduino, I told the definition, and rover because it's mobile, and satellite because it sends data and then transmits it back to Earth. And this project cost me about 6,000 Indian rupees or $71, and yeah, this project gave me a silver medal in the science exhibition, and I'm very happy for it. And what else? Okay, now let's come to the hardware, or I'll tell you the basic idea about this project. So I used some sensor. The first sensor was OV7670 camera module, which is a camera. It's a 3 megapixel camera, and I used it so that we can take images just like if we sent it on Mars or Moon, and we can see, we can get more information about the topographical features about the place. And the second thing was the second sensor was SCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, which sends ultrasonic waves, and it could help us in sensing the distance from an object, just like a rock, and thereby helping in navigation. The third sensor is DS11 temperature humidity module, which helps us sensing the temperature and humidity of its surroundings. And the fourth sensor is 433 megahertz transmitter and receiver. So the transmitter has a working frequency of 433 megahertz, and the receiver also is same. Now why was I using it? So all the data which was being collected, I made the code in such a way that all the data which is collected, that would be given, all the data would be given to the transmitter, and then it converts the data into radio waves and then transmit it back to the receiver station on Earth. Now after coming on back to Earth, the receiver station will sense the data coming, and then it will convert it to binary code or something else, and then it will display it on the serial monitor. And so that's for all. And I got the hardware from Amazon.com.in, and then when I got all the hardware ready, then I set it up, and then I programmed it using Arduino IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment. So I programmed it myself, made the transmitter code and the receiver code differently, and then I connected the wires and soldered it, everything. And to control the rover, yeah, I forgot that. To control the rover, I disassembled my remote control car, and then I took the system out of it and soldered the motors of the rover to motors of the car to the motors of the rover. And then I took the remote, and then I got it working. The science inspector, means the judge who came, he was also very happy, but I saw his face was just, because I think it was too high level, and it was a really ambitious project. And yeah, well, that's all. And I'll be doing a playlist on this project, and in the next video we'll be talking about the hardware, and in the third video we'll be talking about the software, and then in the fourth video we'll be doing it practically. Now I have a question that if you never know, you can tell in the comment that do I need any permission to upload any programming video on YouTube, just like Arduino or Java or any other programming. And that's all. Okay, now we'll be meeting in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.